Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of getting ungated on Amazon FBA. This is crucial if you want to sell in restricted categories. So now let's get started. First, it is important to understand Amazon's requirements for getting ungated. Generally, you will need an established selling account, a good sales history, and invoices from reputable suppliers for the products you wish to sell. Find a reputable supplier who can provide you with necessary invoices, and these invoices should include your business name, the supplier's name, and contact information, as well as a detailed list of the products you're purchasing. Next, log into your Amazon Seller Central account and navigate to the Add a Product page. Search for the product you want to sell, and if it is restricted, you will see an option to request approval. Submit the required documentation, including your invoices, and provide any additional information Amazon requests. So now after submitting your application, Amazon will review your request. This process can take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks. Make sure to monitor your email and Seller Central account for any updates. And that's how you get ungated on Amazon FBA. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.